morning I was checking a little log for the R1. We're coming up on a maintenance cycle, 31,000 miles. We got a couple more rides and then we'll be ready for a major maintenance on the motorcycle. And we've just been riding it. I've been enjoying it every day. I was tinkering with the suspension settings a little bit, tinkering with various tire pressures, and I'm just having a great time with it. And then every day I come out here and I say, oh, I can get 2 more rides before the maintenance, 4 more rides, or 1. I'm like a kid that just never has enough. But anyway, then once we get to the maintenance cycle for this, we have some work to do on basically every one of the bikes has some maintenance to do. So I'm deluding myself thinking this is all going to happen by itself. I'm going to have to eventually break down and do some maintenance. I have the points and condenser for the RD. We're trying to get together with Luciano at some convenient time. Luciano also has some work. He's going to put a lowering link on his ZX10. We thought we'd make a video out of that in the near future. So here's the problem in a nutshell. The problem is if you ride 150 miles every day and you ride the same bike every day for a while, I mean, what's happened is we've put an awful lot of miles on a bike and they add up very quickly, and well, that's the reason we have them. They're not here. Well, I'm not concerned with trying to win bike shows or go to some of these things where you just sit and look at the bike. I want to ride these bikes. I want to wear out tires. And I was hoping at some point in time this summer Rob would get to ride the bike, but he's so caught up in corporate America and, well, I don't even know. God bless him, he's a hard-working guy. And the R1, since I've done the evil twin thing on it, well, I've got some other evil twin projects in mind. I won't let the cat out of the bag right now, but they're coming. So it's the part of the day that I like to do is get up early, get all my chores done, feed all the barnyard animals, have my extra cup of coffee, make sure the bike is pre-flighted, and make sure we have enough gas in the tank to get to the first gas station. Okay, you hungry fish. I know you're hungry. We have vegetables to harvest, flowers to put on a table. It is a very warm summer and we're trying to enjoy every day. And we have different feathered friends. Here we got a robin keeping us company this morning. Every day some action in the garden. Now several people have asked me about that clean earth, and we're going to do a little report on that maybe a week or 2 from now. And if you want to be a farmer, there's a price to be paid. You got to learn how to drive the tractor. You got to learn how to water the garden every morning. Oh my God, it's a labor of love having this garden. But Karen really does enjoy it, and to be honest, I enjoy it too. Get everything watered in before we head out on the open road. Birds, do you notice that I feed you before I go out on an open road? Always feed the birds first, or they poop on your car. Now, they checked the weather for the day. It is supposed to go into the 90s by lunchtime, and by 1 o'clock, big thunder showers coming. I mean, they must have a carbon copy of that weather report. Now, with the groundhog eliminated, look at this. Lettuce every day. I'm going to turn into a rabbit. How many jalapenos you got here? Oh my God, you got a whole bunch.
4, 5, 6.
It is definitely time to get out on the open road. We don't even have a cloud in the sky, yet they are really predicting some bad weather this afternoon, so gotta get out of here early. And just before I get ready to leave, my favorite friend comes over here to check me out. Oh, he's a beautiful bird. We call him Big Red. Time to make some cross-plane music.
not a ripple on the lake, not a cloud in the sky, and it is getting hotter by the minute. So we're home at last, and boy did it heat up at the end of this ride. Whoa, the last half hour of this ride, I was cooking in a microwave. And I'm really thankful I got that Joe Rocket jacket with the light color. I can imagine what it would be like today to be in solid black. And as I always do when I get home, I yell up to Karen, please make me a gallon of iced coffee with extra ice. Extra ice. Boy, that is the hot ticket on a day like today. Gonna sit out here and oogle this bike for a while and stay in shade. Boy, oh boy, Karen just told me it's 93 right now and going higher. We're not even at noon yet, so I think it's time to put everything away and get extra coffee. So it was one of the days there wasn't a cloud in the sky. It's just beautiful out, but super hot. I'm glad I got back a little early. Gonna have a family cookout tonight, I hope the weather holds out. The R1, of course, always entertaining to ride, always a lot of fun, especially in his new evil twin status. He feels a little different than the bike. Every time you change something, it's a little bit different. Anyway, like a woman changing her shoes or something, who knows? I want to thank the COVID workers. Boy, oh boy, especially now that we have this little spike going on here. We don't even know if they're going to open schools in New Jersey. Guys, thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Also, I hope you enjoyed the video. I do enjoy making them. I do enjoy sharing this part of my life with people that might not ever get to come to New Jersey, like Dallas, for instance, and see the little world we live in and the vegetables we harvest and what we do to stay alive. Anyway, again, thanks for watching.